the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, I'm going to be talking about update I see in the Saraya Paulwell case, Toshina case. I say, a quote-unquote male has been charged. I wonder if the male will have the same name as the screwdriver there. The screwdriver people use, the Phillips. We're going to talk about it. Plus, I will also touch upon another politician, Silvera. Notice me now, you nothing about that case there. Oh, go on. But before I go into them things there, whole heap of announcements. We can start off with the Patreon birthday announcements over the holidays and next year, the direction where we carry the channel. First up, they don't know, over the holiday period, they don't know people link with all over the world. People love the movement, love the little YouTuber style. So little YouTuber, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, season greetings, so the inbox full, more than normal. So after I go through, read one answer, then I book up, a Patreon birthday. So you don't miss up on couple. So first up, we have S-Part, aka SB, long time squaddy. Me talk about Patreon squaddy, not the denim, not the uniform. SB, big up yourself, birthday was Christmas Eve. Nobody cost me too much. I don't know it guy already. Long time. Hope you had a great day. When you talk about original supporter, when you talk about real Patreon squaddy, real big woman. You have people from Patreon squad with reason and talk like say, we are friends from basic school. True story. Some people will talk to you that seriously, that we know them from a big kill fellow. SB, big up. Next, this one is from a woman to her man. This one is going out to Causeway. You don't know it's coming from Deborah. Causeway. No, it's belated too, but can't make it pass. Deborah, I know say, currently working abroad. She love you and she miss you. Real talk. She shall wait for you soon to return. Don't know you got already more time. Irie man, left car foreign, put in the work. But she make me know say, you still stand up strong. Inna the Gideon. Hard working man, always go the extra mile to make sure same family. Irie man good. So cause we big up yourself. Seeing more life. Next up we have Bravo. I'm not talk about Johnny. Come on a cartoon. Bravo, big up yourself. Talk to your show or go on the message them. Hope you had a great birthday. Hope you live to see 100 more. See? Bravo from the Patreon squad. More life. One more. Another woman I sent to her man. Love to them money. This one going out to Gerald from Sophia. She said Gerald is a great husband, great father. Real man. You see, them are my favorite type of message them by the way. I love when time the woman them send the message them to the man them. Because them continuously telling us say, Irie man a dog and no good man not there, and no real father not there. See, not for the woman them who tell them thing there, a woman who made their own terrible decisions and now misery love company. I know they're trying to poison the mind of other females, especially younger females, to turn them against all men. So now them can have company, be sitting on table and drink beer wine, and cuss man. But we see, the message them say real man down the road, maybe if we don't actually pick one, bitter like Cersei. But in fact, if we come up with a name for them, the Cersei Mafia. Cause them bitter. The Cersei Mafia consists of bitter males and females who, instead of just accepting their own bad decisions, try to poison the mind of other males and females. Them man, all of them man are wicked. All men are dogs. All. Remember, sexism is okay when it's against men. Hate mankind and waste them life, give them best years to sci-fi. I know one can blame Carlton. You have Simpson at the Cersei Mafia too. Yeah, man. I know same not have it and him go take him last, spend my woman. Then the woman go run off it next man and she go to this and that. And now him a walk and tell the young youth them say, yo, my youth, just kick down every girl where you sick of them girl, you are wicked dog, every girl are wicked dog. No good woman in the world, just kick down the whole of them dog. And kill them, just kill them dog. Cersei Mafia. So, big up the Patreon Squad birthday crew. Let me briefly touch upon some direction of the content that will go next year. But they drop a short, quote unquote short to YouTube. And the ones that message me, drop more shorts, use more shorts, blah blah blah. And that one if I beach me there, I'm them more shorts. But me not like for them shorts, 60 seconds, something like me have to rush. So I go drop some shorter style content videos. But you know what I go do with them? I go use them as announcements like this Sunday this gonna happen. Cause sometimes I have some things where you don't really warrant an entire video for me, but an entire long video. So I go use it say like next Sunday I go drop this. Or major key for the movement. I go start drop some did you know style of videos. Did you know that in this year Iron Man did this? Did you know this and that? Or whenever there's a change of law, and I feel like the general public need to know about that change, they say, did you know recently this act was updated, so this means you know you can't do this and you can't do that. So it's going to take like a 2 minute, 3 minute the most. Look out for that. Final announcement. You know, so we normally have the top 10 videos for the year. But I'm going to do one. First video, you see in 2024. You're going to see a top 10 video. Like our Uncle Sam of State of the Union, we got State of the Movement. Top 10 video, but I don't go decide. So I go decide. Last time I use the community section of the YouTube channel and make people vote. This time I go do it differently. Because enough people never even know about that. So in this video, I want to write down the name of one of my favorite video them for 2023 we drop on the channel. Right, and then we're going to use the amount of votes each video get to decide the top 10 and then we're going to cover them there. If make sure this is a 2023 video. If you drop this year, then you just write the comment. And then other people now just vote up the comment there. So everybody don't need to write the same comment from you. See the name of the video where you like to, you don't need to bother write it. Just vote it up. But if you don't see your video, knowing in the comments, then you write the video name. So for example, there's a video named Stew Unicorn, you write Stew Unicorn. Anybody else who like Stew Unicorn video, don't bother write Stew Unicorn too. Just like that comment there. If you like the video named Curry Unicorn, then you write Curry Unicorn. And other people like Curry Unicorn, just like the comment will say Curry Unicorn. So on and so forth. Let me drop the top 10. Now, we can move into the Saraya Paulwell case. We see dropping at the papers, another person arrested. Fitz Bailey made some announcements. No, I never went into too much details. But then one time you see another person around. I was wondering, hold on, I wonder if the person have the same name like the screwdriver. We know that screwdriver there? The Phillips screwdriver? Can somebody from the JCF press team confirm if the person name of the screwdriver? Phillips? Because this is a male. Remember, they already telling us that the man actually do the killing. Not for the man who did the killing. Then they carry the woman and her baby. Right? Go make them kill him. The man them who did that did the killing though. Them man didn't get locked up yet. Right? And them keeper say, you know, the other baby mother is the quote unquote mastermind. But if you believe that, then may have right, a baked unicorn meat for sale you. Baked unicorn. Well spicy. So them say them are gonna bring in everybody. So I watch to see if the screwdriver right I go in. If Mr. Screwdriver don't get locked up, this case here is a failure. If Screwdriver don't get charged, if not named to Screwdriver, this case is a failure. In the business, how much people don't want to lock up. If you want to believe that ridiculous storyboard, she was jealous and flew down, and then she... At best, he knew what was happening and did nothing to stop it. At worst, him complicit. I'm not there by my talk. So I watch to see what I go on with Mr. Screwdriver. So until then, but the message me like nothing there. So I say, look you through, saying lock up somebody else there. Work a go on, man. Work a go on. Work now start till the Screwdriver bring a station. Because, you see, if it wasn't big time politician, quote unquote respectable man, only that put 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 together a long time. But when it comes on to popular people and when it comes on to the people who worship the most, see, DJs and politicians come like the part of the brain that control my basic reasoning and common sense shut down. I say if Screwdriver was anybody else only that put it together much faster. But now they want to use the benefit. Oh remember I say I can't listen, I'm not really come, I never did it, I'm never did it, when things have did it. When things have did it. That is a foolish argument. We never did it, so I don't know. Well, by that logic, don't talk about any crime in the history of humanity because they never did it for any of them. Don't talk about any crime, any massacre, any genocide. Don't talk about it ever. You never did it when time Hitler killed nobody. Were you there when time the Nazis are doing anything? Were you there when time Baccarat put whip cross any man back? You did it? You see with their own 2 eyes? No. So what you talk about? See, this is the ridiculous argument we come up with and they don't want to hold people accountable. Well, me never did it. You did it when time sci-fi killed one somebody? You did it when time zebra rape one woman? You did it? Dismissing something called me never did it is ridiculous. Use your brain. Full time no we start going on a sense. We're big people here, so. Me never did it. You did it when time World War II was going? Well, me not say World War II happened because I never did it for myself. Give it a rest. When crime scene investigators turn up, when people are rebuild a crime scene, you ever see somebody turn up and see some dead body on the ground and say, well, it don't make sense to bother lock up and charge nobody in a car, me never did it. You ever see police investigators turn up in any favorite crime show them and say, well, I see one dead woman here, so I see baby that leave back to the car, but I not say nothing till car, me never did it. We know only use of the popular people who don't worship and who don't want to hold them accountable. So instead of accepting reality, only use me never did it. So link one time Screwdriver. Go to a station. Until then, nothing to write home about. The other politician brother, Jarlan Sylvia, claims the female wife dead in her sleep. How many years him get charged? Has he been quietly charged? And why would he be quietly charged? Wouldn't the mainstream media be all over this? Like flies on feces? Like cockroach doing a pit latrine? What's happening with the Joyland Silvera case? The moment when I realized that the autopsy was unicorn meat, I tell us Iron Man different, you know. Iron Man people deserve everything they get, you know. Iron Man people deserve the leaders they get. How was this story dead out? How have Iron Man people allowed this to become a one-day story? The man, wife, when he claims he dead in her sleep, gets shot. And it's a one-day story, you know. One-day story. People deserve the leaders and get. It's no coincidence after 60 years, Iron Man they went there, you know. In 60 years, we still can't bring a decent case against any MP, you know. Any big, you know. How much more obvious it needs to be. But we need to take our time and take our time. From the autopsy, come back. From the autopsy, come back. It's a gunshot in the woman. How long has this case been now? They've had more than enough time. Yo, I could just quietly just wait. I could just wait till this blow over here, man. Because remember, say Jamaican people, them have short attention span in us. So then soon forget, man. No more say, man. Just take time blend in. Take time blend in, man. Them know, you know. Them know, so they have short attention span. I don't really care about nothing except the artist story. So when time the story blow over and gone cold, no business again. Because I can't only pretend to care about Jasmine Dean when time it was time to come out to support her. Missing. Story not again. No time for that. Why hasn't Julian Silveira been charged yet? And if he has been charged, why we're not here? Madness. 2024. Planning to badman even more scammers. Badman even more artists. I don't know. I don't know what thing already. But so far, 2023, it's been a ride. Been a roller coaster ride. Patreon squad PIA, big up on yourself. Stay safe, remember chicken, Mary, out in here. Have fun, we'll keep an eye open. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.